Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to turn on search FAQs by using Happy WooCommerce plugin. So our FAQs are already here, as you can see in the product page. Now we are going to turn on search FAQs by going to the settings page of the plugin and activating search FAQs. We'll click on Save Changes and refresh our product page. As you can see, search box is here now. We can type our query to see the particular FAQ. We have many special features in the Pro version of our plugin. For each of them, we have separate videos. Please don't forget to watch them. Thank you.